Welcome back to another video. I'm in Bangkok and today we are driving the Aventador SVJ. It's going to be epic. I am back in Bangkok and behind me there is Pete's Aventador SVJ. We are gonna take it out for quite an epic ride, so join along. Oh, and there's Pete.
Hello.
And let me tell you, you probably have never heard a car as loud as this one before. Since this car is straight pipe and there's a custom exhaust on it. Okay, this is not my first time in this car. The last time was 10 months ago, I think.
About a year, yeah.
Yeah, about a year. And it's way louder than I can remember. So Pete, did you tune this car secretly?
No, this is stock. I'm trying to keep my warranty.
Okay, what was the exhaust name again?
Brilliant.
Yeah, it's insane.
That's not from a shift. That's just me going off throttle.
Yeah.
When you shift at high RPM or when you go off throttle at above like 4,000,
yeah,
you'll do it. Maybe I'll stick a camera to the back of the car and we can see.
Yeah.
We can do that.
Yeah, let's do that. How unreal is that? Seeing this car in Thailand, Bangkok. Once in a lifetime experience. So crazy. How much is it to refill the car?
2K Thai baht-ish.
So that's 50 euros. It's pretty good. This place is so nice though. It's still so futuristic even though this car is quite old, right?
5 years old.
5 years?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not that old actually. Ooh. I wish I could exit here and film from behind. But it's...
here, right?
Yeah, that would be so epic. We didn't tell you yet, but we're going to a mall actually. What's it called again?
One Bangkok. We're just gonna grab some snacks.
We're gonna grab snacks at One Bangkok.
Yeah.
So that's the plan for now. Are we leaving the highway now?
No, actually, this place has an entrance right from the highway.
Oh wow!
So you get to see it. It's pretty cool.
It's such an insane feeling, like passenger driving. Such a massive car on these roads here. I'm impressed by the advertisements here. I've never seen so many of the same advertisements. Look how many screens there are. Like I wonder how much they pay for those advertisements. Did you drive all those 9,000 kilometers by yourself?
Yeah. And it's been 5 years, so 9,000 is not that much at all.
No, it's like 2K a year. Pretty good.
Yeah. Some years I'm not in Thailand too often, so like I
Yeah.
don't get to drive it.
Yeah, and you have other cars also.
Yeah, I have to rotate one every week. And today is actually like today I should bring this out.
No, I think you can go.
Yeah.
I looked at our old videos.
Yeah.
I asked you back then, 10 months ago,
Okay.
if I should still invest in Nvidia. Do you remember?
This is not financial advice.
I know. Back then,
Sure.
you said yes. And since then, I checked, Nvidia is up 40%.
Yes, I mean the US dollar did like lose some value.
Yeah, but then
like 8%.
if you deduct that, it's like 32%. But still, crazy advice. So, guys, if we get 50 comments on this video, Pete is gonna give another stock advice. No, I'm kidding. But if you guys have any questions,
So it's
advice
the
from
entrance
Pete.
to the mall, right from the expressway.
Okay. Oh wow, looks beautiful. Can we open the window? But guys, I'm kidding. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And if we get 50 comments on this video, we are gonna do another video. And maybe we're gonna do a Q&A video. If you guys have any questions for Pete. Is someone coming? If not, I can move it.
No, it's okay.
Who is running for you now? We have to tip him.
I don't have cash.
I have cash. I can give him cash.
ครับ ผมนึกว่าผมไปบาร์ข้างบนได้ มันปิดเที่ยงคืนวันไม่เข้าเนี่ย Apparently it's closed ใช่ไหม No
Denied.
denied I have to go to B2
Okay, I guess we are swapping.
I'll feel for you
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay
Off we go.
Don't blow my ears out, man. It was disgusting. Go for it, man.
Wow. It's fast. Like having the Bangkok skyline in the background is so
Really?
insane. Makes it 10 times better now.
Just go straight and merge. Make your way to the right lane.
Okay, I'll try. Okay, can we do some shifts here? Right here, no?
You can do third gear and you can push.
Yeah.
And then shift out.
But you feel super safe. Like,
Yeah.
it doesn't lose traction or anything.
You can if you do it
Okay, if you
in a
do it
funny
too,
way,
like
yeah.
in a second.
But when you shift, you can keep, if you keep your foot on the throttle, it'll give you a big shift.
Yeah.
If you feather it up and then shift, it'll be very smooth. It's different.
Okay. Would you ever sell this car?
No. So the plan for me is, I've told some friends that the day I can't like drive this car legally on the road, maybe they ban gas cars or something.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna like use it as furniture in my house
That would be nothing.
because at that point it would be vintage.
Yeah, it's not gonna lose value.
Yeah.
After you bought it, it only kind of went up in price, right?
Yeah, just a bit. It's held its price. So like,
Yeah. That's
I
only
think-
900, right?
yeah.
Is there an option to close the exhaust, like the valve of the exhaust?
Oh, it does close below 3.5.
Okay, but then it opens automatically. So there's no way to drive this car quietly.
Just drive it below.
Okay,
3.5.
just drive below.
Like here, this is closed. This is closed.
Is there a lot of Thai car people here? Or is there not many? People see this car, are they like impressed or?
I don't know. Like car people, of course, they would like it because it's a special Aventador.
Yeah, but most of the people probably don't know that it's a special one.
Like car people would know. Non-car people, they just like the color.
And by the way, we tried to go to the mall, but it was actually closed. So we're doing something else now. But we're finding a spot now so we can show the car from the outside. What? Okay, I have to be quite fast now because I have to go to the bridge, which you can see here. Oh no. I have to be a bit faster. I'm on the bridge now. Pete is gonna come any second now with the car. Uh-oh.
Oh no, wait. Cut the camera. I ran out of money. Wait, give me a second.
Okay guys, Pete sadly ran out of money, so please hit the subscribe button, press the like button and leave a comment. Back in the game. We did
Their
it.
system can't update my card until 1 AM, so.
Spoiler?
Yeah, around like over 100 kilometers, you can hear the spoiler working. It's like a whistle, the active arrow.
Would you say this car was the best car purchase you ever made?
Oh, I mean, they're all really good purchases, right? But so far, still, I think this is a car I'm very, very sure that I'm probably not going to sell. Yeah.
Okay, so keeping it forever.
Yeah, maybe like the 296, I can change for a new one. SF90, I don't know if I'm gonna keep, but such a nice car too.
Yeah.
Ruelto, I really like my spec. I thought I was gonna keep that spec for an SV.
Yeah.
But I don't know if there's gonna be an SV or how long it's gonna take, so I just went all out with the base Ruelto.
But they haven't announced any updates about the SV, if it's coming or not.
There's probably gonna be one for sure.
And there's another car coming.
There's another car coming really soon.
Beginning of January. And
It's already here, it's ready already.
yeah, but it's gonna be a surprise and maybe I get to film it also, we see. So stay tuned for that.
Oh, I'm excited for that.
Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much, Pete, for letting me drive the car and for the whole experience. Many more videos to come. Click the subscribe button. Also, let us know, comment below what else you would like to see.
We have some space in the garage.